quick little update. Actually got the heater on. It's raining a little bit. Alright, I'm just about done. I just gotta do the tabs. Where's the light? There's the light. You can see it. I'm under the Lincoln. And I gotta do all the tabs, all the bottom ones now, and then do all the top. And that job is done. Start it up, see what it sounds like. I'd like to put the resonators on, but I gotta drop the gas tank yet for something else. Anyway, that's a little Lincoln update. Everybody's always asking me. Oh boy, that's awfully loud. Say, goddamn the pusher man. That's right, and if you be feeding, you be packing your nose full of powder, you'll never own something like this. That's all I got to say. See, I got sober. Look at the things I got now. Ain't a lot, but my buddy Henry's car got killed. Anyway, this is it.